Please look at the page 16 and let's practice 8 words here. And the first one, 수, 스 plus u. So 수 and b, a, ba. But this bottom consonant is K sound. So 수박, not 수박, 수박, no, 수박, 수박. That's watermelon, 수박. And the second one, oh, maybe you cannot see well, but book, if you download the book, you could make it bigger. So this is, so please read. 볼, pen, 볼, pen. Good job. 르 at the end. So 볼, pen. This is pen, pen. And the third one, 눈, 눈, 눈. This is eye or snow as well. 눈. And the next one, don't forget 앙. 동생, 동생. So the bottom consonant is 앙, so 동생. Yes, this is a younger sibling. So younger sister or brother, it doesn't matter, it's 동생. And the next one, this is Konglish. 컴퓨터, so computer, computer. Yeah, that's computer, computer. Actually, I feel like the Konglish word is it's more difficult than just like normal Korean word. Yep. And the next one, 집, 집. Good job. That's house. And this one, not S sound. 옷, 옷. That's clothes. Any kind of clothes is 옷. And the last one, 할머니, 할머니. That's grandmother. 할머니. Good job.